Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find volume in Tinkercad. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to add some figures or objects onto your work plane. So I will add this cube, make it larger, and let's see, I will add something like circle or the cylinder and make it taller. And now I will group these objects. So I'll click Union Group and basically I'll make it a little bit larger too. So now to find volume, what you'll need to do is go right here to SimLab and basically select on the object itself, and you'll see the mass, volume, density, and etc. So for the volume, you'll find it right here, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.